What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing some makeup. I'm going to be starting out with the cucumber mist to make your face extra hydrated. It's a little chilly at first. So I'm going to be using the MAC foundation. It's my fave foundation. It stays all day. Just put a good amount on your face. Make sure you have enough. And then just blend it in. Make sure it doesn't look cakey though, because no one likes a cakey face. Next up, we're gonna try some fake freckles. Never done this before, but I actually think it's kind of cute, so why not? You're just gonna want to randomly dot your face like I'm doing here. Now we're using the Maybelline Fit Me powder to cover up those freckles so they don't stand out too much. So they have more of a natural look. Ha. We're just going to use this shade to contour my face because I like using eyeshadow for contour. I don't typically do my eyebrows, but today I just kind of felt like filling them in, giving them a fuller look, so I'm using the Covergirl eyebrow powder. We're just going to be using this to cut my crease for a more dramatic look. It makes your eyes look bigger and brighter and bolder. This is a strategy that I really like using. Next, we're going to be using the shade Fresh to lighten up the eyelid for a bolder eyeshadow color when you apply the other color on. Now, using the shade Steampunk, we're going to fill in under the brow, kind of at an angle. Now in the shade Birch, we're going to reshadow that lid so it looks more yellowish to match my crew neck. So using the shade Dystopian again, we're going to be using it for a small cat eye. I like using brown for when I'm wearing yellow. Next, we'll be using the Becca Highlight. I usually like doing liquid highlight first, and then I cover it with powder after, just so the liquid stays in place and it's more shiny. You want to put some under the eyebrow for that extra pop, and also in the corners of the eyes. Now we're using Sephora Blush. I love this blush, it's really pigmented. Then, of course, you want to put on some mascara so you don't look like you have no eyelashes. And now, of course, you want to add eyelashes for that extra bang in the look. And here's the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe.